आज मैं गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में कुछ कहने के लिए यहाँ आया हूँ। गणतंत्र दिवस हर साल हम 26 जनवरी को हमारे दिलों में बहुत खुशी और बड़े गर्व के साथ मनाया जाता है। आज ही के दिन 1950 में भारत संविधान का लागू हुआ है। हम सबको पता है कि 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन हमारे भारत को स्वतंत्रता मिली है, किंतु हमारे भारत को कोई संविधान नहीं है। कई चर्चाओं और विचारों के बाद डॉक्टर बी.आर. अम्बेडकर के अध्यक्षता में एक समिति हमारे भारतीय संविधान का मसौदा रूप प्रस्तुत किया है, जिसे 26 नवंबर 1949 में अपनाया गया और 26 जनवरी 1950 को आधिकारिक रूप से लागू हुआ है। इसी दिन हम यह वादा करना चाहिए कि हम भारत के संविधान की सुरक्षा करेंगे और भारत में शांति को बनाए रखेंगे और भारत के विकास में सहयोग करेंगे। मैं यह करके मेरा भाषण समाप्त करना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
నేను ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారికి ఉపాధ్యాయులకి నా తోటి విద్యార్థులకి గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మన భారతదేశంలో 1950 సంవత్సరం నుంచి 26 జనవరి ప్రతి సంవత్సరం గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాము. ఈ రోజుకి మనం 73వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాము. ఆగస్టు 15, 1947 నుంచి మనం స్వతంత్ర దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము. ఎందుకంటే మన భారతదేశం బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళకి స్వతంత్రం పొందింది కనుక, మన దేశానికి స్వతంత్రం వచ్చింది కనుక మనం స్వతంత్ర దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము. కానీ మనం ఎందుకు గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము? ప్రజలందరికీ మాట్లాడగలిగే హక్కు ఎలా వచ్చింది, ప్రజలందరికీ జీవించగలిగే హక్కు ఎలా వచ్చింది, మన సమాజంలో అందరి సమానమైన భావన ఎలా కలిగింది, వీటన్నిటికీ కారణం రాజ్యాంగం, మన భారత రాజ్యాంగం. మన భారత రాజ్యాంగం మన దేశానికి అమ్మ వంటిది. వీటిని అందరూ పాటించాలి, అందరూ అనుసరించాలి. అప్పుడు మన దేశం మంచి పచ్చని దేశం అవుతుంది. ఈ 1947కి మన స్వతంత్రం వచ్చేప్పటికీ మన స్వతంత్ర దేశమే కాదు, పూర్ణ స్వతంత్ర దేశం కాదు. అప్పటికి బ్రిటిష్ వారి అనుచరణలోనే మన పాలన జరిగింది. వారి పాలించిన విధానంగానే మన దేశంలో పాలించారు. అట్లా కాకుండా మన దేశానికి ఒక ప్రత్యేకంగా మన కొన్ని సూత్రాలు, మన కొన్ని పాలించబడే ఉండాలని చెప్పి జీవనాధారం అందరికీ కలగాలని చెప్పి అంబేద్కర్ వంటి గొప్ప నాయకులు వివిధ దేశాలు తిరిగి అక్కడ రాజ్యాంగ సూత్రాలు తీసుకొచ్చి మన రాజ్యాంగంలో కలిపి మన ప్రజలకు అందించారు. ఈ రాజ్యాంగం 2 సంవత్సరాల 11 నెలల 18 రోజులు జరిగింది. ఈ నవంబర్ 26, 1949లో పూర్తయింది. కానీ జనవరి 26, 1950లో మన దేశానికి అమలుపరిచారు. దీని ద్వారా మనకి ఏమైనా ప్రజలకు సమస్యలు వస్తే న్యాయస్థానానికి వెళ్ళే హక్కు కలిగింది. వీళ్ళందరికీ జై హింద్. ధన్యవాదాలు.
सबको शुभोदय। मेरा नाम अभिषेक, मैं 9वीं कक्षा पढ़ रहा हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने गणतंत्र दिवस के महत्व को बोलने के लिए आया हूँ। 26 जनवरी 1950 यानी 1950 को सुबह 10:18 को हमारे देश का संविधान लागू किया गया है। तब से 26 जनवरी को हमें गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। गणतंत्र दिवस को सरकारी और गैर सरकारी कार्यालयों में बड़े उत्साह से मनाया जाता है। हमारे भारतीय इतिहास में भी गणतंत्र दिवस का एक प्रत्येक महत्व है, क्योंकि स्वातंत्र भारत का जुड़े हुआ संगठन सब कुछ गणतंत्र दिवस में बताया जाता है। गणतंत्र दिवस हम सभी भारतीयों के अंतर्हर्ष, उल्लास और नए सोच का साकार करता है। सबको गणतंत्र दिवस शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hi everyone, this is Shreyas of class 10. I am here to share a few words about Republic Day. India marks January 26th as Republic Day of our country. In 2022, we celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our country. While India gained independence from the Britishers, it wasn't unite. So, on January 26th, 1950, Constitution came into force and India became a sovereign country and declared itself as a republic country. Republic Day in our country is celebrated with a great joy all over the country. The Republic Day has a main attraction is annual parade. which begins from Rajpath, New Delhi and ends at India Gate. The President of India hoists the flag at Rajpath, New Delhi.
Hi, my name is Sue. I'm from 7th class from Sri Vidya Vidya. Now I'm going to say about Republic. First of all, a very happy Republic. I would like to thank my class teacher to giving this wonderful opportunity. Every year, India celebrates its Republic Day on 26th January. It is the national festival of India. On this day, in 1950, our community came into effect. This year, in 2022, we will celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of India. On 26th January, the President of India hoists the flag in New Delhi. It is the first time when Republic Day celebration will be very short and simple due to pandemic situation. A big parade is held at India Gate in New Delhi. Republic Day is celebrated in schools and colleges with full of enthusiasm and joy. The President gives awards to brave soldiers and people on this day. The Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Thank you and a very happy Republic.
Hi everyone, this is Bhavana and I am the student of class 9. I am here to tell about the Republic Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. And Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year. It had been 72 years that we had celebrated Republic Day and it is the 73rd Republic Day. It is a day of constitution of adoption in which 1950 after getting independence in 1947. The main celebration of Republic Day were held in Rajpath at New Delhi before the President of India. Ceremonious parades takes place which are performed to tribute to India in rich in cultural heritage and unity in diversity. And it is a day which we all remind our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters have struggled and sacrificed their life to get the freedom and republic for our country. And now we are living in a democratic country and each person have to equality and right to freedom and cultural and educational rights and right to constitutional remedies, etc. And now Republic Day is celebrated all over our India, so it is also known as national festival. And on this day, schools and colleges celebrate some programs like speech, debates, essay writing, etc. And they may offer awards. The President of India hoists the flag at the India Gate, and it ends by singing the national anthem. So thank you for giving this the wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Tanish Reddy. I stood in front of you to tell few points about Republic Day. All of us are here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country. Today I am obligated and honored to give a speech on Republic Day. Republic Day, celebrated every year on 26 January, has a special signification in the history of India. To make the event memorable, the national event is celebrated every year with a lot of joy, happiness and pride in our hearts. As we know, on 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution came into effect, and so from the day we the people of India constantly praise it as the Republic Day of our country. We all know that India got independence on 15th August 1947, but the nation didn't have any constitution of its own. However, after many discussions and considerations, a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26th November 1949, and officially came into effect on 26th January 1950. The citizen living in democratic country enjoy the privilege to elect their leader to lead the country. Although there has been a lot of improvement till now, it can also be said that we have been facing a few problems such as pollution, poverty, unemployment, etc. One thing we all can do is to promise to each other that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could contribute to solving all.
Morning to one and all, this is Tapasri from 6th standard. I am going to tell about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th of January. This year, India will celebrate 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated to remember the historic moment when our nation became an independent republic country. As we all know that India got its independence on 15th August 1947 and it did not have its own constitution. Instead, India was governed by the laws implemented by the British. However, after many deliberations and amendments, a committee headed by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution which is adopted on 26th November 1949 and came into effect on 26th January 1950. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad also began his term as the first president of India. Ever since independence, the main celebration of the Republic Day has been held at our national capital, New Delhi, at Rajpath in the presence of President and Prime Minister of India. Republic Day is celebrated in schools and colleges with great enthusiasm and energy. In schools and colleges, they will conduct various competitions, and by giving a Republic Day speech, they will enjoy. I hope you all will celebrate this Republic Day with great enthusiasm and energy. I wish you all a happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Chidula, studying 7th standard, wishing you a happy Republic Day. Now I am here to speak few things about importance of Republic Day. Republic Day is great historical importance to the country. It is declared as national festival and celebrated on 26 January every year throughout the India. It is an important day for the country's citizens because on this day we got our constitution. Constitution provided India's country's citizens fundamental rights and fundamental duties. When India got its independence on 15th August 1947, after a few days, on August 29th, a committee was formed and given a duty of forming constitution for the nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as chairperson for this committee. It took Constituent Committee 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for forming constitution. After, in January 26, 1950, all constituent members and first Prime Minister of independent India signed down the constitution. Later it was declared as Republic Day. On the occasion of Republic Day, there was a grand celebration all over the India and at Rajpath near the India Gate. People from all over the country come here to visit the President and the grand celebration. On this day, President of India hoists the flag and all will sing the national anthem. After that, a great grand parade was conducted by the military personnel and defense personnel of India. In schools and colleges, there will be competitions conducted between students like essay writings and elocutions, etc. I am wishing you all again happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning to one and all. I'm Anushrinya from 8th class. Today I'm going to tell about Republic Day. On 26th January we celebrate Republic Day because this is the day when our constitution came into effect in 1950 and our India became nation free from British. This constitution was started by our freedom fighters. 3 years after independence, the constitution was formed. To make this event memorable, we celebrate it every year with lots of love and happiness from our heart. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Rakesh. I am studying in 8th class in Sri Vidya Vidyalayam from Kottagudem. Today's our topic is Republic Day. Let us know about Republic Day. Republic Day is a national holiday in India when the country marks and celebrates the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January in 1950, replacing the Government of India Act as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. Thank you.
శుభోదయం. నా పేరు సూర్య శ్రీవాసు. నేను 9వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఈరోజు భారత గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం గురించి చెప్పడానికి మీ ముందుకు వచ్చాను. భారతదేశంలో గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని భారత రాజ్యాంగం అమల్లోకి వచ్చిన రోజుగా జరుపుకుంటారు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జనవరి 26న భారత గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుతారు. 1950 జనవరి 26న భారత చట్టానికి బదులు రాజ్యాంగం దేశ పరిపాలనకు ఏర్పడ్డాన్ని భారత గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం అంటారు. భారత రాజ్యాంగ సభలో 1949 నవంబర్ 26న రాజ్యాంగం ఆమోదం పొందింది. భారతదేశం స్వతంత్ర గణతంత్రంగా ఆవిర్భవించడానికి 1950 జనవరి 26లో దీనిని ఒక ప్రజాతంత్ర పరిపాలనగా పద్ధతిలో పాటుగా అమల్లోకి తీసుకురావాలని నిర్ణయించారు. జనవరి 26 తేదీన గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా జాతీయ సెలవుగా ప్రకటిస్తారు. అలాగే పిల్లలకు స్వీట్లు పంచుతారు. దేశ రాజధాని న్యూఢిల్లీలో జెండా ఎగరేసి ప్రసంగిస్తారు. విశాలమైన గ్రౌండ్లో దేశంలోని ఎన్నెన్నో రాష్ట్రాల ప్రభుత్వ శాఖలు ప్రతిబింబించడానికి వీలుగా వివిధ రాష్ట్రాల చిహ్నాలతో పరేడ్ చేస్తారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
And celebrates the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950. Replacing the Government of the India Act 1935 as governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed
Very warm please good morning to one. Myself Ashrita. I am studying in 6th standard. Now I am here to say a few sentences about Republic Day. First, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. January 26, 1950 was the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. Indians celebrate Republic Day on 26 January because on this day, 1929 Declaration of India's independence was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress. People call Bhimarao Ambedkar as the father of Constitution of India. People celebrate Republic Day all over the India with great enthusiasm and fun in the schools and colleges. The main celebration of Republic Day takes place in New Delhi at Rajpath. Hence, by programming parades at the Rajpath, people get tribute to its rich culture, heritage, and unity in diversity. The President of India distributes the Padma Award to the civils for their bravery and good deeds on this day. President of India is the chief guest of function. He is also Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army Forces and takes the salute. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
మొదటిగా భారతదేశ పౌరులందరికీ 73వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం మనం జనవరి 26న గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాము. ఇది భారత జాతీయ పండుగ. 1950లో మనకు రాజ్యాంగం అమలులోకి వచ్చింది. న్యూఢిల్లీలో రాష్ట్రపతి జాతీయ జెండాను ఎగరవేస్తారు. న్యూఢిల్లీలో ఇండియా గేట్ వద్ద పెద్ద కవాతు జరుగుతుంది. న్యూఢిల్లీలో రాష్ట్రపతి వీర సైనికులకు మరియు ప్రజలకు అవార్డులు అందజేస్తారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Fiber. I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today, we gather here to celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our nation. On 26th January 1950, our country got its constitution. We got our independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. However, the Constitution of India came into force on 26th January. Since then, we celebrate Republic Day every year. Jai Hind. Thank you.
मेरा नाम उज्जवल राणा, मैं 7वीं कक्षा पढ़ रहे हूँ. इस दिन मैं गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में बात कर रहे हूँ. भारत के संविधान ने 26 जनवरी 1950 में लागू किया गया है. इस दिन से हम 26 जनवरी में गणतंत्र दिवस को मनाते हैं. इस साल हमें 73 गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहे हैं. सब भारत में सब स्कूलों और कार्यालयों में हम तिरंगा झंडा लहराते हैं. यह त्योहार सब भारतीयों ने बड़ी खुशी और आनंद से मनाते हैं. सबको गणतंत्र दिवस शुभकामनाएं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Principals, teachers, and my dear friends. Firstly, I wish you all a happy Republic Day. My name is Tanis. I am studying in 4th class. Today we are celebrating our 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is the Indian national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution of India in India. On this day, our Indian flag is hoisted and national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung. President give awards for the brave soldiers and people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.